Welcome to Manifest Melodies. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we are going to take just 10 minutes to slow down, reconnect, and find a sense of peace within. Meditation is simply the practice of bringing your attention to the present moment. It's not about stopping your thoughts or emptying your mind. It's about observing without judgment and gently guiding yourself back to a place of calm whenever you drift away. Over time, meditation helps to reduce stress, improve focus, and bring more clarity and joy into your life. Find a comfortable seat or lie down somewhere you can fully relax. Gently close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Allow your shoulders to drop. Allow your jaw to soften. Let yourself simply arrive in this moment. Hold on to this feeling for a few moments. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a soft wave of relaxation gently washing over you. Feel it moving down from the crown of your head, down your forehead, relaxing your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Let the wave continue down your neck, across your shoulders, down your arms, and all the way to your fingertips. Feel the relaxation move through your chest, your belly, your hips, your legs, and finally out through your feet. Stay in this relaxed state for a few moments. Now gently bring your focus to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm. No need to change it. Just observe. Feel the coolness of the air as you inhale. Feel the warmth as you exhale. Each breath is a new beginning. Each breath is a chance to let go. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently bring it back to the feeling of your breath. You got this. Focus on your breath for a few more minutes. Now expand your awareness slightly. Notice any sounds around you. Notice the feeling of the ground beneath you. Allow everything to be as it is. You are here. You are safe. You are whole. Hold on to this feeling for a few more moments. Feel the stillness within you. Allow that stillness to grow like a soft light expanding from your heart. Let yourself rest here in this quiet space of simply being. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go, just this moment and this breath. Begin to deepen your breath just a little. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this calm presence with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. You are doing beautifully. Feel free to listen to this meditation anytime you want to. Thank you. Until next time.